Good afternoon guys, and today we will be reviewing the MIG function of this Predator Flux Reactor 5. It's a 5-in-1 welding machine. Now we are there. Flux, TIG, MMA, COD, mix, and this is Flux. Gasless, we will be using gasless. Okay, and this is our. We will be um, making some samples here. I don't know what is this that I am doing, but anyway, I don't know how to call this, but it is a good workpiece. Okay, so let's try the MIG gasless of this welding machine. Because this is a overrated machine, that's why we put it on 195 amps, which dictates our wire feed, and maybe here half of the voltage. That's our settings, machine setting. Okay, this is our workpiece guys. 2 mm thick GI pipe, and our wire is 1.6 and 1.2. Yes, this is the wire we'll be using, gasless. Rock and roll. Okay guys, this is our result. As you can see, I'm not a good welder, but I can weld, but not much good like those who are professional in YouTube. We use this whip technique, I zigzag like that. This is it. But when we grind this top, it will have a good surface. Okay. Okay, we finished this sample. By the way, that is not the no groove sample, so we will make a grooved sample here, and that's for the deeper penetration. Okay, as we can see, it's now grooved but not perfectly grooved. Anyway, that will do. Here is the best grooving, and we will reduce the voltage, the penetration, because it's now grooved. Maybe like that, but the ampere, the wire feed is still the same. Okay. Nothing remarkable guys. I think it is a little bit low in voltage. Should add the voltage higher. It's ugly, but anyway, it's okay. They're the same, no difference. But when it will be grinded on the surface, it will have a good and plain surface. That's the important thing. Some might be wondering, maybe this material that we weld before is so thick. Yes, it is 2.5 mm thick. How about the thinner one? And we have here a sample. tubular and CPR links. These are 1.2, maybe 1.2 mm thick. And according to my experience, this is MIG is more preferable for this kind of materials. Let's try. For the machine settings of our workpiece 1.2 mm thick, we will still be using the settings of our last weld, 1.194 amps and around here. Guys, that's it. From time to time it is making some holes, but because that's MIG, it's a MIG, it can easily fill up the holes. That's the advantage of a MIG, it can easily fill up the holes for wider gaps. I think we should reduce the amperage and around here. Let's try again the other side. Oh, here it is, guys. For the setting 120 amps, it has a better weld and just one hole, just one penetration. I burned through, burn through. What's that? Okay, I think we got the right amperage and voltage. It has a better profile and just a one burn through the hole. Yes, just one. Better than this. This is too much amperage. Maybe some are wondering, how about thinner materials? Maybe that is still thick. 1.2 is still thick. That's why we have here 0.9 flat sheet. That's thin, so thin. Okay, and let's try this. If how's the performance of a MIG? Let's change the settings. Okay, let's put it to 100. 100. Okay, 100. And maximum 0 voltage. uh, the material is so thin. We reduce the amperage here, but still we can weld it. We can make a favor for the root pass boys. Always say root pass, root pass, root pass. We can do it here. We only can do the spot welding here. 9.9 mm thick. No, it's not good. Okay guys, that's our review of our Predator 5-in-1 flux core reactor of MIG function, and we can say that it's good for thick materials like this. 2.5 mm a GI pipe, and also it's better when it is used for tubulars like this, as thick as 1.2 mm. It has a good result, but we have a worse result with this 0.9 mm. Maybe we will be using TIG or other technique like the spot welding, because if we will use root pass here, the continuous weld, it will be having some problems, bad weld like this. So root pass boys, sorry, we can't use root pass here. Or maybe you are good, I'm not too good in this case. So that's it. uh the result and function of this welding machine is not limited to my performance. Maybe some can do better than me and will give a good review. Anyway, for me this is good and a quality weld, but this is my first MIG machine and I have not used other machines. That's why for me this is good. I can compare it to any other, only this one.